Hello everyone, this is Isabel. I'm at PTC 2026 in Hawaii, and today I'm joined by Allen Meeks. He's president and CEO of MOX Networks. Allen, welcome to my hot seat.
Thanks for having me, Isabel.
So Allen, since we've last met, a lot has happened with AI. Everyone's talking about AI. What impact has it had in the industry, and how is MOX adapting?
Great question. I think it's really about the scale, right? And you have to be prepared not to run into a scale issue. And that's with the huge demand of bandwidth and compute power that AI is taking and how fast it can come upon. You have to be ready for the scale. So that comes down to capacity planning, not just in network, but also in compute. So we have the medical AI side of the parent company that's planning for an explosion in compute, depending on, where we're taking data from, hospitals, research labs, universities. And there's the MOX side, which is, providing the capacity to support all of that. So we have to pay attention to the demand that they're bringing from their side of the house, as well as the rest of the industry, because we service the industry, not just ourselves, and then try to plan for that capacity. It's really just the key to success.
So in 2025, you've focused on the US-Brazil route. Why is that route? Why is it so important? And who's driving the demand?
Yeah, good question. It is, it's a country of over 100 million people. So it's a big place. There's a lot of people there. It's a growing demand. I mean, historically, I think we've seen, IP networks and cellular networks bring a lot of demand. But now with cloud providers and AI providers putting presences in Brazil, we're getting the business AI tool demand that's hitting, and that's really increasing a lot of capacity. There's also a question of availability. What subsea cables are available to actually purchase when you're not building them like MOX, when you just want to take an IRU in commercial service. So there's not a lot of availability out there. At that time, there was availability, so we struck while the iron was hot.
And we're kickstarting the year in this amazing location. Where will be your focus in 2026?
Yeah, we're going to finish turning up all the subsea capacity that we've bought on Topaz and Fermina, commercialize that capacity. And then we've got a couple of builds happening as well this year we'll be doing in Western Washington.
So, Allen, you know me by now. I like hot gossip. Any hot gossip?
Well, I think the dreams of where we think we're going with AI are really wonderful, and there's so many great use cases. But I think the real gossip in my circles is, how are we actually going to get there?
Okay. Thank you for another great interview, and have a great conference.
Thank you so much.
Everyone, thank you for watching, and until my next hot shot.